Test is fine. Soil test is fine. It's just the positioning of the home, like the you know, the boundary pegs and stuff.
Right there.
Yeah. Someone just cut across me in a intersection. I just put him on Dashcam. If I didn't fucking brake.
We're going on Dashcam Australia.
This will make Dashcam Australia.
Oh my god.
What?
Look at it.
What are they doing?
He almost rear-ended them, bruh. Oh my god.
What?
Look at it.
What are they doing?
He almost rear-ended them, bruh.
Balance my G so I contain the savage. Getting so dumb to my thoughts are in fragments.
My team was sitting on. Kept trying to drink. Wishing that you was here with me. I used to tease you about your feet. We were laughing, we giggling, having breakfast on the beach. You don't know how much that meant to me. Holding hands and having two of my own. Complete perfection where you and me don't need no bodyguard. I'm your protector. FaceTime, I can't wait until you call me. Especially you have that problem, not that problem solved. You won't disrespect you. I'm helping you alone and not now. And need somebody by your side, no matter wrong or right there. Saying it's gonna be alright. No one to hold you tight now. No one to look you in your eyes. It's that bit.
Doing? What the fuck are you doing? Fucking asshole. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Fucking asshole.
Hello there guys, Justin here, and in today's episode of Moto Madness with Justin, we have a pedestrian playing Crossy Road. People like to say that I have road rage. I don't believe them, but you know, I'll let you guys judge for yourself. So you know, we're coming up on a crosswalk. Crosswalks have stop signs for the pedestrians, but nothing for the drivers. So you know, I'm just driving, doing my own thing. You know, here it is up ahead. Here we go. You know, nothing abnormal, and then bada bing, bada boom. This jackass.
You son of a bitch, it's a stop sign! Dude, stop sign! No! Get back here, you piece of shit! Hey, it's a stop sign!
So I wait for him at the other end of the trail to give him the look of shame, my disappointment in him, but he never showed up. He probably found a grave and buried himself where he belongs. He's lucky he didn't die today, and I'm lucky I didn't run someone over today. So sir, if you're watching this, fuck you, you entitled bitch. It is a fucking stop sign. Get some eyes, you fucking dumbass. See what I'm talking about? I don't got road rage. I just have a little bit of anger towards people who do stupid things on the road. You could call it that. Definitely. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Adios.
Watch it. Jesus. What a stupid bitch she is. What is it with today?
Just completely incoherent.
I mean, if someone pulls out in front of you and somebody goes through a red light, like in, 2 minutes less? A minute.
Tried to determine what might have caused the illness. York Regional Police were called to assist during a boat fire near Barrie over the weekend. It happened Sunday after a boat caught fire as it was passing through Big Bay Point in Innisfail. Barrie Police, Ramera, and Orakdonti Fire Departments also attended the scene. It's believed an electrical issue was the cause. 4 people were rescued from the lake by other boaters. No injuries were reported. In a new report released with partners, the UN Weather Agency says climate change means more weather disasters every year. Charles De La Desma reports.
In the wake of heat waves, global warming, forest fires, storms,